100 BBQ! Got stuff to do, I got stuff to do. I got too much stuff to do. I don't got time to do all the stuff I gotta do. And I'm spending all my time barbecuing. I've been doing a lot of barbecuing lately, and it's not an excuse. It's the truth. I have video evidence, and it's a lot of stuff to do. You got a lot of stuff to do, I got a lot of stuff to do. And that's why I'm making tacos tonight. Tacos are quick, they're cheap, they're delicious, the whole family likes them. Nobody's gonna argue when we make tacos. That's why we're making tacos tonight. I had a feeling we'd talk about it. Cook that chicken indirect, about 10-15 minutes, and we throw it right on the fire, sear that baby. Go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until it looks good. You see that corn over there? That corn is gonna be delicious. I've been flipping that about every 3 minutes, just giving it a little spin, and look at it, look at it. Jalapenos, onions, hot sauce. You need some hot sauce in your tacos. We got some grated cheddar cheese in there. Don't buy that already pre-grated stuff. Grate it yourself, it tastes so much better. Let's eat, and we can get back to doing other crap. See that thing in the pool? I gotta fish that out of the pool. Who wants to fish that out of my pool? You come over, I'll give you a taco. One taco, you get that out of the pool.